How to fix Instagram try again later will restrict certain activity to protect our community problem. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Instagram try again later will restrict certain activity to protect our community problem. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, what we need to do is to head over to our Instagram, and from in there click on the profile icon on the bottom right here. And then from in there, just click on the three lines up here and then click on settings. And from the settings, you can actually scroll down until you reach help right here. If you can see help, then you can actually search for it right here. So let's search for help, and here it is. So just click on help right there. And from in there, just click on report a problem. You can actually go back and shake your phone, but you can also enable that and just click on report a problem right here. So from in there, just click on conclude and continue, and this will actually automatically attach a screenshot of your problem, and from in there just explain what you need to do and try to actually explain to Instagram that you are not a bot, because this problem usually occurs because you have actually been seen as a bot by Instagram. This because maybe you have actually used a third party app that Instagram doesn't allow. This will actually get you banned or locked on your Instagram account, or you have actually commented or liked some videos or posts as soon as possible within the hour, and Instagram has detected you as a bot or a third party software. So just actually steer clear of all of those and explain to Instagram that you're not a bot and you didn't use any third party software, and that should be able to solve your problem. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to solve Instagram try again later will restrict certain activity to protect our community problem. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.